Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video. So today I'll be sharing a very healthy snack recipe specially meant for the keto followers and all other fitness freaks. It's cauliflower masala bites, so let's quickly start. The ingredients are half cauliflower cut into big florets, half teaspoon tandoori masala, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Now add salt to the cauliflower and red chili powder along with the tandoori masala. Now give a quick mix to the mixture, so you need to mix it well so that all the dry spices are mixed up, and then you add 2 teaspoon olive oil to the mixture and again mix it well. This is a very delicious snack for the veg keto lovers. So now take a bowl and grease the bowl with olive oil and transfer this cauliflower mixture to it. I am transferring in a bowl so that I can bake it in the OTG for 30 minutes at 220-degree temperature. The ingredients of the gravy are tomato puree made of 2 tomatoes, 1 onion finely chopped, half cup milk, 1 full cup water, garam masala, cumin seeds, haldi, salt, red chili powder and kasuri methi. Now take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon oil to it, add cumin seeds and mix it well. Now add onions and you need to cook it till it turns light golden brown in color like it's seen in the video. Now add your tomato puree to it and you need to cook this till the water from the tomato puree dries up completely like this and it leaves the oil behind. So now add half teaspoon salt to it, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, and give it a quick mix. This gravy will be added at the end to the baked cauliflowers. Now cook it for another 2 minutes and then add water to the mixture and again cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. So now as it has been cooked for 5 minutes, I'll add almond milk to the gravy. For the keto diet lovers, add almond milk. Otherwise you can add simple milk also. The recipe of homemade almond milk will be given in the description box, so you can check out from there. So now cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes and you can turn off the gas then. So after the half time you can just give a quick mix so that it doesn't stick at the bottom and again close the OTG. So now after 30 minutes my cauliflower is ready. So I'll be mixing it in the gravy itself and again give a quick mix. I must say this is very delicious snack and I cannot really resist eating it. You can even make it for your guest or you can have it in the mid-evening time. So now I'll again bake it in the OTG for another 10 minutes after I have mixed up the gravy with the cauliflowers. So after 10 minutes it's ready and I'll be transferring in a bowl in which I want to serve. So enjoy this healthy cauliflower bites at home guys, and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Thank you so much for loving my videos. Keep supporting and sharing my videos, and if you have any query you can ask in the comment section. So till then, take care, bye, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for regular notifications.